Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to Being KBs for another episode of Random Inspection Friday. It's August 27th, I'm doing kind of winter assessments and we're going to be getting into this one. The tag says great from 3 weeks ago. So I hope that remains true. It does look pretty good. Looks like they're occupying the full box. Let's see where they're at. That's medium heft, medium weight, I would say. Better than some and worse than others. Alright, largely empty. There's some bee bread there and some honey in the honey band. Bee bread and brood on this side, honey in the honey band. The honey band is the kind of semicircle around the edges of the frame. It's a natural way that bees like to organize their hive. Brood in the center and food on the perimeter. Brood and honey. Brood, I'm not seeing eggs yet. I'm interested to find out whether these queens are continuing to maintain a sizable nest, and capped brood doesn't really tell me that. Capped brood tells me what they were doing a few weeks ago. And that's more capped brood. There we go, there's eggs right there, so that's good. Not a whole lot of eggs though. There are some. Alright, now there's a whole lot of eggs closer to the center of the brood nest. Looks pretty good. I wouldn't say great, but I definitely wouldn't say bad. Alright, now that's a good frame. It's heavy and there's a lot of brood. Beautiful. That's another heavy, good-looking frame. That's the kind of frame I like to see in August. A lot of honey and also a lot of brood. Now this one's the opposite extreme. It's super light. There are some eggs though. And then we're getting into mostly honey in the last two. So this one looks pretty good. Definitely have to feed them. How much, though, I don't know. Depends on what they do over the rest of the fall flow. Oh, almost fell over. So, yeah, I like what I see. As the fall flow kind of continues, that honey will kind of encroach more and more on the brood nest, and that brood nest will shrink and shrink to the point where at the end of October it should be around size of maybe a grapefruit or a softball on the first or on the middle frames. And at that point, hopefully they're, you know, too heavy to pick up. But right now we are well on our way to that. So I'm happy with what I saw. Thanks for watching. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. See ya.